Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and today we're on the Odd Job Doer's Guide to Tool. We have this stick here, which is actually a T-square. Let's see, goes like that, you put up and down like that, looks like a T, kind of. You know, they're going to call it the double backward L, but then they said no, let's try and make it a T-square. And so what it is basically is you have wood, metal, plastic, whatever, in a shape like this, right? And at one end you have a 90-degree angle here. So what you do with that basically is you have a board or something else, you know, like this right here. It slides along this side, up and down, and that creates it so you have a straight horizontal line going through there. And so let's say if you had a piece of paper here and you wanted to draw a box, right? Get your fancy schmancy drafting pencil here, and we'll do a box. So it goes like this, like that, right? Back like that, and we'll even try to do something like this here. See this? Give some depth to it. All right. So that is how my box turned out, freehanded, right? Not too bad, a little bit on the horrible side. So now then, if you had a T-square, like so, and this one here is probably not too special, but a little bit special. You can see right up in here, this got this little plastic lip here to it. And what that does is it gives just enough clearance between the paper, because you have this wood down here that actually moves on the surface, so the paper and this lip here, to if you were to use the old-fashioned, well not old-fashioned, but maybe they're old-fashioned now, but inking pens, right? You can do a pin across here, and if it's a flat surface what actually touches the paper, the ink will seep back underneath there. And so having this lifted up causes the ink not to seep underneath it. So, we also have here to help out a 45-degree angle triangle. So you got your 90 up and down here, and 45 at the corner here. Hard to see, but you know, 45. And you have this triangle here, which is 90. This little one here is 30, and this one over here is 60. So I'm going to go ahead and use a 45 and this here. So the way you do it, you butt this part up here against your straight edge, and then you have this part here. And what you want to really do is if your paper's cockeyed, what you want to do is you get it into the edge and you put it up here to the edge of your paper, right? And once that edge is even across, then you can either tack it down to your board or tape it down like we did in the old days. I don't have any tape right now, so I'm just going to do like that. Then bring it down like so. And I'll go ahead and make a little line across. Like that. Then I'll take my 45 and I'll put that right on top of this other one. And get to the edge there. And I'll do a little bit like so. And now this is where you can have measurements come in handy. Measurements on this. You have measurements on your triangle. But we'll just kind of eyeball it. So bring it like that. Bring this over like so. Eyeball it up. Then slide this up here. Like so. Right? And then from here I'll just go ahead and use a 45. And that. Slide this back here. And like that. And let's see, one more 45 we'll be needing down off of here. Once again, measurements are nice to have, but we're just kind of thumbing this through. Bring it like so. And up here. Anyways, before you had computers really major in the industry, this is how people drew stuff technically speaking. Maybe a little bit artistically, who knows. Alright. Bring it up like so. There. Now, I didn't measure this out, but you can see a little bit of a difference there between the two boxes, eh? So, once again, T-square. Making things straight, you can use it horizontal, you can use it vertically depending on what you're working with, and that's about it. But don't do this, right? It's not a pickaxe, right? It's not a matic. That's for another show. So, any questions, comments, link below, and Odd Job Doer. Thanks for watching.